different companies, there are some that are blazing a trail with using healthy adult donors, some that are using cord blood-derived NK cells, some that use the stem cells from the cord blood to make NK cells, and then the ones that use iPSC technology to make NK cells. It definitely seems much easier to get an authentic NK cell out of an iPSC than an authentic T cell. I say easy, it's clearly not easy. I think companies have spent more than a decade perfecting it, but comparatively, you're more likely to get a good NK than a good T cell out of an iPSC. And you can grow these cells for a long time. That's one of the downsides of T cells, is that it's very conclusively shown that the more you grow them, the more they exhaust. This is why Novartis is planning to move from 9 days to 2 days, and why data from the paper on the 1-day process looks better than the 9-day process. The less you do to the T cells outside the body, the better they are. With NK cells, it doesn't seem to be the case, and there are many of these companies grow NK cells from healthy donors, cord blood, etc., for 2 or 3 weeks to get really large numbers. You can potentially grow them kind of bioreactor scale, maybe in the future. And iPSCs, of course, give you the ability to make massive numbers of NK cells to then use. I see them repeatedly giving good data in hematological malignancies. So unmodified NK cells of the right phenotype, the kind of adaptive or memory-like phenotype, seem to be very potent in AML. And I think that will be one of the places they get approved. The CD19 CAR NK look really promising. The only thing I would caution is that a lot of the trials we've seen are only very small in scale. Some of them used fresh NK cells, because NK cells are difficult to cryopreserve, so that needs fixing. And the doses used can be quite large. So some of these companies reporting recently are using doses of 1 billion cells per infusion, and they're giving 3 infusions per cycle, and they're giving 2 infusion cycles. So then that's 6 billion cells per patient. That makes me wonder how. I'm not quite sure I believe them yet if they say they can make a production run does 1,000 patients. I don't think that they can really say that until they've worked out how many NK cells each patient needs.
Yeah.